Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set sedentary reminders on AMAZFIT Balance 3. To set these notifications, first let's enable them. So we can go to our notifications here, then go to activity and make sure that stand reminders are enabled. Then you can enable the time when they will be sent. So start time and end time, and you can also do not disturb between certain hours. So in that time it won't send you those notifications, and it will basically remind you about like moving. So if the device detects no exercise activities in the first 50 minutes of a clock hour, a vibration reminder will be triggered. Now basically that lets you select from which hours to which hours, and you can also set a goal of how many hours you would like in your day. And for that, on the main page of the app, you can click on your profile, then click on My Goals and set the daily stand goal. That is going to be the amount of hours within a day that you would like to stand and move for at least 1 minute within each hour. So I'll do 14 hours and then click on OK. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.